Hello and welcome. Today, I'm very delighted to bring you a transformative moment for Ghana's industrial future. Ghana's automotive manufacturing sector is poised for a massive leap thanks to a strategic partnership between the Growth Investment Partners, a platform that's backed by the British International Investment and Springs and Bolts Company Limited, a Kumasi-based leader in automotive components. This collaboration is set to expand Ghana's manufacturing capabilities, reducing the country's reliance on imports and also establishing the country as a key player in West Africa's automotive supply chain. So without further ado, let's explore the details of this groundbreaking investment, the economic impact, and what this means for Ghana's industrial future. Before we delve deeper, kindly hit the like button as you always do. Subscribe to this channel as I always bring you insightful information on Ghana's growth. Let's get right into this one. This partnership between the Growth Investment Partners, which is backed by British International Investment, as well as the Kumasi-based company, which is Springs and Bolts Company Limited, represents a bold step towards strengthening Ghana's industrial foundation, especially the automotive scene and the car manufacturing market. By investing in Springs and Bolts Company Limited, which is a dynamic manufacturer of automotive aftermarket components based in Kumasi, Growth Investment Partners is fueling a vision to boost local production and also enhance Ghana's competitiveness in the regional market. The initiative is not just about scaling a single company, it's about building a robust ecosystem that supports Ghana's broader industrialization goals. This strategic move reflects a deep commitment to fostering innovation, creating jobs, as well as positioning Ghana as a hub for high-quality automotive components in West Africa. And with the backing of British International Investment, this investment is headed to the right direction. It's a testament to the nation's potential to lead in manufacturing excellence. West Africa's demand for automotive companies such as springs, bolts, and related products, is substantial, with an estimated annual market value of $600 million. Currently, much of this demand is met by imports from Asia and South Africa. This highlights a significant opportunity for local production, and thus bringing this partnership to fruition. The Kumasi-based company is up to the task, and this partnership is going to elevate Ghana's car manufacturing industry as well as the automotive front. Through this partnership as well, the Springs Bolt Company Limited is stepping up to fill this gap, producing components that meet the highest international standards as well. This investment will enable the company to scale its operations, incorporate advanced technologies, and also deliver products that rival imported alternatives in quality and cost. Ghana has the potential, and the Growth Investment Partners have noted this. By delivering top quality products, Ghana will be strengthening its industrial supply chains and also reducing dependence on foreign markets. At the heart of this expansion is Springs and Bolts Company Limited, which is the Kumasi-based manufacturer with a strong reputation for quality and innovation. Springs and Bolts Company Limited was identified as the company is focused on becoming a preferred supplier of automotive components across West Africa, serving industries such as automotive, logistics, mining, and agriculture. That is to tell you that this investment is multifaceted. With this investment from the Growth Investment Partners, Springs and Bolts Company Limited is poised to enhance its production capacity and also introduce cutting-edge automation. This will allow the company to produce a wider range of high-quality products at competitive prices, offering a reliable alternative to imported components. The company is ambitious, and it is setting a new standard for manufacturing excellence in the region. This is not just about Ghana. Their impact will be felt in the broader West African region. The expansion of Springs and Bolts Company Limited is set to deliver significant economic benefits for Ghana. By increasing production capacity, the company will create new job opportunities in Kumasi and beyond, empowering the local workers with skills and livelihoods. The investment will also strengthen Ghana's industrial supply chain, making it easier for businesses in sectors like automotive and also mining and agriculture to source components locally. And by reducing the reliance on imports, Ghana can retain more economic value within its own borders, boosting the national revenue and also fostering sustainable growth. This partnership is a catalyst for transformation, as Ghana is going to be turned into a manufacturing powerhouse in West Africa. The Springs and Bolts Company Limited is also looking at a growth that's supported by a network of strategic collaborations that will be enhancing technical and market capabilities. By partnering with the Supreme Springs of South Africa, Springs and Bolts Company Limited has gained access to world-class technical expertise, ensuring that its products meet global standards. Collaboration with GIZ has also opened doors to the new markets, particularly in the logistics and mining sectors. While the UK Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Office's Jobs and Economic Transformation Program has provided critical support for market research, it is also boosting the development of innovative fasteners. These partnerships are underscoring the collaborative spirit driving Ghana's industrial ambitions, and Springs and Bolt Company Limited is rising as a regional leader because of this partnership. Now, looking beyond the traditional automotive components, Ghana is also exploring new frontiers in the automotive industry. Plans are underway to establish an electric car manufacturing plant in collaboration with Chinese partners, signaling the country's commitment to embracing cutting-edge technologies. This initiative aligns with the global trends towards sustainable transportation and positioning Ghana as a forward-thinking player in the automotive sector. And by combining with the expansion of the Springs and Bolts Company Limited with ventures like electric vehicle production, Ghana is laying the foundation for a diversified and innovative manufacturing landscape that can compete on the global stage. This investment positions Ghana as a competitive supplier of automotive components in West Africa, challenging the dominance of imported products. Springs and Bolts Company Limited's expanded operations will not only serve Ghana but also cater to the needs of the neighboring countries as well, creating a ripple effect across the region. And by producing high-quality components locally, Ghana will be reducing the cost for businesses and also fostering regional integration. This development strengthens West Africa's industrial ecosystem, encouraging other nations to invest in local manufacturing and also collaborate on a shared economic goal. Ghana's leadership in this space is becoming a beacon for regional progress, as the partnership between the Growth Investment Partners and the Springs and Bolts Company Limited is more than just an economic milestone. It's a symbol of Ghana's growing influence in global manufacturing. And by producing components that meet international standards, Ghana will be showcasing its ability to compete with established markets. This initiative is fostering pride amongst Ghanaians, as to be highlighting the nation's capacity for innovation and excellence. The availability of locally made components means lower cost and faster delivery, while for workers, it means new opportunities for skill development and also career growth. This partnership is a win-win situation, driving economic progress and cultural pride. This investment as well is a turning point for Ghana's automotive sector, as the car manufacturing sector is becoming a broader industrialization agenda here in Ghana. And by backing Springs and Bolt Company Limited, the Growth Investment Partners is helping Ghana to reduce its reliance on imports, create jobs, and also build a sustainable manufacturing base. This partnership reflects confidence in Ghana's potential to lead the West African manufacturing potential and also compete globally as well. For businesses, it means an access to high-quality, locally produced components, and also for communities, it means new economic opportunities and a stronger national economy. This initiative is a testament to Ghana's ambition to become a hub of industrial innovation. Ghana's automotive sector and its car manufacturing predecessor is embarking on this transformative journey. With the British International Investment and the Springs and Bolts Company Limited, the nation is poised to redefine its place in the global economy. The partnership is also more than an investment. It's a vision for a stronger, more self-reliant Ghana that will be leading in manufacturing and innovation. With expanded production, strategic collaborations, and a forward-looking approach to the expansion of the automotive sector, Ghana is driving towards a brighter future. And with partnerships like this, we are just looking at where it is headed. Share your thoughts on this partnership between the Springs and Bolts Company Limited and the Growth Investment Partners, which is backed by the British International Investment. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below as always. And before we go, kindly hit the like button to help inform others and support this channel. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't, as it helps in the dissemination of vital information. Also, check out this next video on other amazing projects that are going on here in Ghana. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.